Hello, 7th grade students and parents. Mr. Domagowski here. It is a crazy time to think that we are already thinking about next school year, the 2021-22 school year, but we are thinking about that future 8th grade students, and we are talking about scheduling and the scheduling process, what classes students can take. So on this blue form, it is our 8th grade course scheduling or course selection form. The first thing students need to do, which they now have these forms, is they're going to put their name, their first and last name up on top. Make sure you have your first and last name there. The left side is very self-explanatory. All kids will have a language, science, math, and history course. There's some high school information at the bottom there, especially that concerns Algebra 1. Algebra 1 is a high school course, so students might have the availability of taking high school or an Algebra 1 course if they're ready for that. But what I want to talk about are the elective classes. As you see the directions there, we're asking students to rank them, especially like 1 through 3 as an example of what they want in their preference. So let me just roll through these elective courses really quickly. The first one is PE, which is a gym class. This is a semester class, so it's an 18-week class, like first semester or second semester. However, if students want to elect to take PE all year, we try to satisfy the students that want that, if it works within their schedule, to take PE all year, so there's a selection box right underneath physical education right there if you'd like that. The next one's computers, 1 semester course. The next one is Art 7-8, a 1 semester course. We also have 2 different classes, Project Lead the Way, Design and Modeling, and Project Lead the Way, Automation and Robotics. These are 2 brand new classes that we're going to be offering in the 2021-22 school year. These 2 classes are the transition from STEM classes. So if you had STEM 6, STEM 7, thinking about STEM 8, just because you had STEM 6 or STEM 7 does not mean that you're going to have one or both of these classes. And if you didn't have STEM 7, it doesn't mean you can't take these classes. You can take those classes. So they're open to all students. The difference is these classes are a semester class. 8th grade students will have the availability of taking each of them or one of them if you'd like. We also have a yearbook or publishing class, which is a 2 semester or a full year class. We have a positivity class, which we started this school year, which we've gotten rave reviews on. That is a 1-year class for students, which is a really exciting class. We have Band 8. You have to have the prerequisite of Band 7 in order to take Band 8. So make sure that if you check that box or you put a 1 or a 2 there, actually, you have to have Band 7. Choir 7-8, you do not have to have a prerequisite to take choir, so if you're interested in choir as an 8th grader, go ahead and put the number in that box. And then the last one is Spanish 1. That is a full year high school credit class. Once again, the directions are there. Please don't just check a box. Please rank the classes, as many classes or as little classes as you'd like. 1, 2, 3 as an example of the preference that you want. So if you really want PE as an example, you would put a 1 there. If you want art next, you put a 2 there, and so on and so forth. Okay? So those are the courses that you can select. And remember, your electives must add up to 4 semesters at St. Clair Middle School as an 8th grader. Here are the course descriptions. So if you have a question about what does this class entail, I'm not sure exactly what this means. What are we going to be doing in the class? This paper is stapled to the course selection form, so you can take a look at those. And also on the back of this course selection form is a little bit of information about the new 2 Project Lead the Way courses, which are right here. And it also talks about these classes are a transition from the STEM class. They do Project Lead the Way at the high school, so we are creating a vertical alignment with Project Lead the Way, which is an outstanding thing. So once again, there's your 8th grade course selection form. Students will have these in their hand. They are due Wednesday, March 24th, no later than Wednesday, March 24th. They must come to the office and with a parent signature. If anyone has any questions about the course selection form, what classes, how to fill this out, they can come in and talk to the office. Our main go-to is Miss Rutledge, so please ask for her when you have questions about scheduling. She's taking care of all of these scheduling forms and getting them in order so she and Mr. Agashano can put those into Skyward to start next school year. So any questions, ask Miss Rutledge. And a phone number right there, of course, is at the bottom for St. Clair Middle School. All right? So good luck scheduling. It's crazy to think that we're almost 8th grade students, but good luck scheduling. If anyone has any questions, please let us know. All right. Thank you so much.